For this basket weave practice sheet, now I'm using a little sheet of plexiglass that goes over the practice sheet because you can do that and then scrape the icing off. It works really well and you're not wasting wax paper and that kind of thing. So you start with the number one and just make one stripe down and then just follow the little arrows. I've marked the first few lines so that you can see the direction and where you should be going. Now I'm making these a little too close together and you might have to adjust based on what tip you're using, but the general direction of the arrows is what you're going to do. And this is just an illusion where you're putting the icing in the little kind of the opening spot and bringing it over. And it creates this basket weave look where it's not really a basket weave, but that's how it looks when you're done. So you're just going to keep doing this and alternating the vertical and the horizontal. And when you're done, you're going to have a basket weave pattern that you can do on the side of a cake to look like a basket, or you can do it on the top of a cake or wherever you want. And it's a cute effect. People always look at it and they're impressed. There are different piping tips that you can use with this. This one is a flat tip that does not have ridges on it. There are some flat tips that have kind of a little rough edge, and it gives you that woven kind of basket look. I don't know what they're like, the reeds. I don't know what you call the pieces that you're weaving, but the texture of that one it'll give you a different texture if it has like little teeth on the end, and you'll see that. Now you see how I've messed this one up? Doesn't matter. You're going to cover it up. There you go. So this is it's actually a very forgiving pattern, and it is just an illusion. So once you get the hang of it, you can do this on the sides of cakes, and it makes a really nice pattern and it's impressive because people like it and it's kind of retro. I mean, I don't see a whole lot of basket weave cakes these days because people have gotten away from the piping, but as piping is coming back, I'm really enjoying the fact that you are going to be able to see this kind of cake again because they're kind of cool.